You can now import Jira dependencies into Visor's Gantt view. Here's how it works. When you import Jira data into a Visor workbook, you will now see dependencies here in the View Settings area. This initial launch of dependencies is read-only, so you will have to set up the linked work items in Jira first, and then you can import them in Visor. When you import a Jira project that has linked work items, you will see when clicking on dependencies that you can select the types of dependencies that you want in your Gantt. If I deselect this, you may notice that a lot of these lines disappear. This is the type of filtering that we currently offer for dependencies. While looking at your Gantt, if you want to see what type of dependencies or linked relationships your Jira issues have, you simply just have to click on the line and you will see all that information right there. Another cool feature that we have is you can turn your Jira data into a Jira milestone and still have that dependency be intact. So I'm going to right click and display as a Gantt milestone, and as you can see, the lines indicating the dependency are still there. So now you know everything about our initial Jira dependencies launch. Initial launch is the operative phrase here. We will continue to iterate, improve, and enhance this functionality. Make sure that you drop us a line through chat, email, or scheduling a call to let us know what you'd like to see from this feature next. Have a great day.